Python mocking a function from an imported module. I want to understand how to attach a function from an imported module. This is where I am so far. app/mocking.py. app/my_module/_init___.py. test/mocktest.py. This does not work as I would expect. The gepatched module simply returns the unmocked value of get_user_name. How do I mock methods from other packages that I am importing into a namespace under test?
When you are using the patch decorator from the unittest.mock package, you are patching it in the namespace that is under test, in this case app.mocking.get_user_name, not the namespace the function is imported from, in this case app.my_module.get_user_name. To do what you described with at patch, try something like the below. The standard library documentation includes a useful section describing this.
While Matty John's answer solves your issue, and helped me too, thanks, I would, however, suggest localizing the replacement of the original get_user_name function with the mocked one. This will allow you to control when the function is replaced and when it isn't. Also, this will allow you to make several replacements in the same test. In order to do so, use the with statement in a pretty similar manner.
The accepted answer is correct that using patch you have to consider the namespace in which it is imported. But imagine that you'd want to override the actual implementation on a global basis. No matter where it is imported, you can monkey patch the implementation. In your tests, just add the name of the fixture as an argument like default fixture behavior. In my projects, I use this to override my global config value resolvement to catch unmocked config.get calls which could cause undefined behavior. Edit, link to docs, this URL.
Building up on the answers already given, especially the one by Matty which helped solve my patching issues, I was patching replacing the original function, and not the function call in the module. I prefer to do it without the additional mock library. I am not sure if this 10 years back was shipped as part of the standard Python installation, but today, it is a separate installation and I would much rather keep my pyproject.toml as clean and lightweight as possible. Here's how I solved it with just unittest. I've also added another assertion statement. It's a good idea to make sure calls to specific functions were made. For large code bases with multiple coders, this can be crucial.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.